Stranger Kitten here. Hey guys, it's Stranger Kitten here, and today we're going to be doing something really fun. We're going to be making glitter bomb slime. And if you don't know what this is, you are going to grab some clear slime, and it has a couple bubbles in it because you're trying to transport containers and it kind of got a few bubbles in it. And it has also a few fruit stand things in it because we ran out of clear slime and we needed some fruit stand slime. And that's just slime with little pieces of fruit in it. All you have to do is put some glitter on top, and then you're going to poke it. And once you poke it, the glitter is going to make really cool patterns. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll see soon. So let's get right onto the video. I have to say that's one of my favorite glitters, but I put so little of it in because there was a really tiny bottle. And ooh, that gold is really pretty too. They're very fine glitters as well. Those are kind of little round glitters. And you can see here how it's clear, very pretty. Aren't they wonderful colors together? Sorry if the camera's a little shaky at that point. I was just putting some blue glitter in the slime. I love that white glitter. It's so thick and beautiful. Oh, I put a ton of silver glitter in at that time. I did it on accident though, just because the container for it was really big. We decided to add some pink glitter at this point because we thought it would look pretty and there wasn't enough glitter in. So here I am adding some light pink glitter in. I think it really made the slime look beautiful in the end. The gold looks so pretty in here. It was just amazing, and it felt so cool because the glitter encased your finger and it actually had a really nice feel. I don't know who invented this slime, but whoever it is, I really like it. Doing this. Doesn't it look cool close up? And look at how shimmery the top is. This part was so pretty. I really liked how it turned out. Doesn't it look so nice? And you can really see how clear the slime is. Look at that gold and silver. It's really pretty. And there's the silver that I put in. There's so much. Guys, this is the coolest slime I've ever made. And that's saying something because I've made tons of slime. Look at that. And it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. It's so gold. Look at this. Like, it's so nice and gold and thick. It's very thick. I don't know why, but this really reminds me of Christmas. It was much more fun to poke it actually, instead of mixing it. And I don't know why this is so silver. Maybe because I poured like 10 things of silver on it. But, you know, whatever. So guys, this slime looks so awesome when it's not on camera, and it looks kind of weird when it's on camera. It's probably because I don't have, you know, filming lights, stuff like that. But this is the prettiest and most fun slime I've ever made. Oh, I love it so much. But that just about concludes the video. So I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.